Friends, this is Agamya. So in our today's video, we are going to start a very interesting chapter, that is who did Patrick's homework. So that is a very interesting topic, that who did Patrick's homework. So let me share my screen and you have to tell me can you see my screen or not. So I have shared my screen and I hope you can see my screen, right? So first of all, in this chapter, we are going to begin. Now, okay. Before you read, discuss in class. Do you like homework? I like homework. Do you do it yourself or you do get help? If I have any doubts, I ask from my mother or father and I do myself. What homework do you usually have? I usually have reading homework, writing homework, speaking homework, revising homework, and more. Let's start this chapter. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. What is a Nintendo, first of all? Can you tell me what is a Nintendo? Nintendo is like a video game. Do you know video games? It's a video game. Okay. Okay. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. What is an ignoramus? An ignorant person who lacks education, it is an ignoramus. Okay. Then, okay. Okay. Then one day, what happened? Let me tell you one day what happened. Okay. Then one day, he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. He has a cat and I like cats. He had a cat. The cat was playing with a little doll and he was just scratching it and just like this. So he grabbed it away. And to his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. It was a man, it was an elf. He has wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a wish's. He yelled, Save me, don't give me back to the cat. I will grant you a wish, I promise you that. So what is this word which is written here, which is a breeches, right? This is not breeches, it's breeches. This is the correct spelling which is written here. Or short trousers. What is the meaning of this breeches? It is short trousers. The writer here spells it for fun to rhyme with the word witches. Why writer had written a wrong spelling to rhyme with the word witches. Okay. 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 Let's just proceed in our chapter. You have to underline this part, which is that what's the elf what was the elf wearing? This thing, wool shirt and old fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witches. Okay, now what did he said? He said that I will grant you a wish, I promise you that. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. He had the answer to all of his problems. So he said, only if you do all semester all of the no. Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester. That's 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could get even A's because he was getting A, B, C, D like this. He was, how what is the grade he was having? He was having D, E like this grade, and he was so like that. So he was saying, if you do a great job till the semester ends, I will get A's, and then I will not give you back to the cat. The little man, the little man face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fist, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. Like elf, you know, like the elf, like the Patrick. Elf also don't want to do his homework. Like what he do? He doubled his fist like a dishcloth. What is a dishcloth? A cloth used for washing dishes. And here thrown in the hamper. What is a hamper? Hamper, a basket with a lid. Okay. He cracked his legs and doubled his fists. And he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. What is grimaced? Like pursed his lip, like like that. And his feet are showing disgust, anger, and disapproval like this. Like this, because oh, I'm cursed, but I will do it because he also don't like homework. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Expect there was one glitch. What is a glitch? A fault in the machine. A fault in the machine that prevents it to work properly. That is a glitch. Because he was doing his homework, but there was a glitch. What is the glitch? That the elf didn't always know what to do, and he needed help. Help me, he had said. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way, because in Elf's life there was not a mean of homeworks and studies, because he know only magic, he don't know studies. So he always, shout and say, help me. And Patrick would have to help him in whatever way, right? I don't know this word. The elf squeaked like while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, whatsoever. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it by each letter. Now, Patrick was like this. Why it was like this? Because elf did not know anything. So he squeaked while reading, and he said, "Give me a book." Now he said, no. Even better, you should read the word, pronounce it with me also, and each letter also. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. What is shriek? Shriek is a high pitched cry, like a high cry, like shouter cry, right? He don't have timetables. That's timetables, that's tables, 2 and 2, 2 and 4, like that. And he just have to help. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Here, sit down. Wait, what he said? He said that, and addition and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. There's nothing of human history, because for them it's a mystery. Because elves didn't want, history is a subject, right? So he said that for elves, history is a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Like he was shouting, but the shouting became more louder. And books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. As a matter of fact, every day and every way, that little elf was in a nag. What is a nag? Nag is that one who troubles someone all the time, complaining this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. Oh my god. He was frustrated then, right? He was frustrated. But he was helping. He was thinking that he is doing my homework, not I am doing my homework. And Patrick was working harder than ever, and it was drag. Drag is something dull and uninteresting. He was staying up nights and never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes fluffed and blurry. Sometimes when we stay up nights, our eyes become so red, right? That look so red, like that. He was going to school. Finally, the last day of school arrived, and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there were no more. So now there was the final day of the semester. All the semester ends, and now the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no, because there was not home. More homework was left. So he quietly and slyly slipped up the back door. So there was a back door. He slipped. Quietly, he go. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. Now Patrick got A grade he got, and he was dreaming that he will get A only. So he get A. What was that? His classmate was like, oh, how he got it. And what his teachers was doing? Teacher was smiling and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to his child. He was now the model kid cleaning his room, did his chores. What is a chores? Chores is the must everyday work. Like what it's a chore is like when you wake up and then you do a brush, clean your table and all. That is a chores, right? That work that must be done every day, often. Like it's like boring. I will not do brush today, but it's like a chore. We have to do it now. Chore culture was cheerful, never rude. Like he had developed a full new attitude. Now he has a good attitude, whole new attitude. Like never rude, cheerful, and he had developed a new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man to do all his homework. But I will share a secret, just between you and me, okay? Nobody is there. It wasn't there. Patrick had done his homework himself. Shh, don't tell anyone, okay? And that was the end of our chapter. And we are going to discuss the question answers which are there, okay? We are going to discuss them in our next video because now this video will be lengthy. That's why. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.